Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today we're going to draw Spider-Man Zero from Fortnite and also Marvel. So let's go in there at the top here. Let's start with the head. I'm going to do a little curve round on the head, so probably from maybe here to here. So just do a curve around the top of that head there, like that. We're going to go down to the chin area, which I think is going to be about there. So let's just join that up to the chin. Nice curve round and up. Nice curve round and up. Okay, great. Let's put a neck in. So Spidey's neck is going to go one line there and maybe one line here. Okay. Let's go on to the shoulder area. So it's got a couple of straps on either side here. So I'm just going to do a rectangle here and a rectangle here. So let's pop one of these in. So just a little bit of a rectangle there, an angle, and then another one here, the opposite angle, and then we'll just do another little small one in front just to show the strap area. Let's just join that neck area up to it like that. Okay, next let's put the shoulders in. So the shoulders kind of come out quite muscly, sort of shoulder boulders going on here. So I'm just going to draw a line out here, draw a line out here, and just curve around a bit, curve around like so, and like that there. Okay, let's have a look at the torso now. So I'm just going to do Spidey's kind of like pec muscles and then torso. So I think the pec muscle is going to start about here and here. I'm just going to do like an angle in either side just to show those off, like that. Then he's got quite a lean torso, so I'm just going to draw a line down to about here. So a line like that, and then a line just down like that on that side there. Okay, it's got a cool belt, so there's a couple of bits that come out here. So I'm just going to do like a box area here, like a bit of a box area there. Okay, and what I'm going to do, just do a little bit of an angled line either side of that, and then this kind of comes down a bit. So let's do a horizontal line just here, join those up with a diagonal line, and then we're just going to do the same thing. So a bit below it, a horizontal line, move up and join up, move up and join up there. Okay, right, now I've got his belt area. Let's pop his legs in. So I'm going to just put a line in there under the belt, and let's pop one leg into a knee area. I think the knee's going to be about, let's just mark that out here, maybe here. Yeah, so I'm just going to draw a line down from here to the outside of that, and a line down from this belt area. Just make sure this pops out a bit to the knee area here. Just put a little curve up, show the muscle there. Same on this side, down here to there. So those two join, sort of match up, and then we'll just do another line, show off the muscle there of his leg there. Okay, cool. Next up, do the lower part of his leg, his calves. And we're going to go to about here. So I'm just going to do a line down, curve out, down. Same on this side. Line down, curve out, down like that. Okay. We'll do the other side here. So we're just going to join up here. So we're just going to do sort of fairly narrow here where his ankle is, and then just taper up here. So up like that. And then this side up like that. Let's join that up. Cool, okay. Let's pop the legs in, let's just pop the feet in. So I'm just going to do a line out around here and just join it up there, the heel. This side I'm going to do the same thing, so just going to do a line out there, join it up here. Okay, let's put his arms in. Okay, so let's think. We're going to need sort of the top areas of his arm where his elbows are, about here and here. Okay, so with that marker then we can just draw a line up where his arm is, and on this side, like that. Let's match those up here. So I'm going to do the inner part of his arm there, inner part of his arm there. Okay, then we're going to go down to his wrist area. So I'm just going to do a line out down to about here. So curve around and down. Same on this side, curve around, down like that. Okay. It's got a bit of a wristband on, so I'm just going to do like a chunky rectangle on either side there, just to show like those web shooters. Okay, and then what we'll do is we'll just join this up here. So put the forearm in there and the forearm there. Okay, just pop his hands in, so I'm just going to have him clenching his fist. So I'm going to put a thumb in like that either side, just curve it around there, and then his hand we're going to go out, down and around like that. Okay, same here, out and around, down like that. Okay, put a little bit of grounding area on there as well, so just going to put a straight line behind him, between the legs there, just over to the left. Okay, next up, let's start doing the detail here. So this outfit it's got the great Spider-Man crest on. I'm just going to do 2 lines like that, and we're going to just put a line and a marker there, do a little V. Okay, then with this pen I'm going to go down and just join up to here. So let's just go on the inner part here, down, and the inner part down like that. Okay, from the wrist area he's got like bits of padding where we'll put in the red and the blue. So just going to put a bit of patchwork in here and the side here. It's got a bit on the inside part here, so I'm going to go around down there and around down there. Shoulder part is his own little piece here, so I'm just going to cap those off like that, cap that off like that. Cool, okay, let's just join these bits up here. Let's go grab a thinner pen, so a bit of a finer point one. Let's pop the eyes in. So just in the center here, I'm going to put 2 lines, okay? So just about where the nose area is and down. So 1, 2 like that, okay? Then I'm going to do a curve up and around to the top. So I'm going to go round up to the top. Same on this side. I'm going to go round to the top there. Just going to put a little sort of V point there. And then what I'll do is just sort of join this around here. So I'm going to go up and around and match up, join up here, okay? So we're going to go around, out, and join it up. And around, out, and just join it up there. Okay, cool. What we'll do is just fill that in a little bit, so we've just got a nice bit of marking for the eyes there. So we'll just pad that out a bit. Nice, alright. It's got like a little white area here. It's almost like a little zip of his suit. So I'm just going to do a line from the bottom there to the top there. So just like a little bit of a curve, just to show that off there. Then let's put the spider in. So it kind of goes from, there's the middle part of his chest, so I'm just going to do a line here so we know that where that is, okay? Right, let's pop in a little head of the spider there, so I'm just going to put a circle there, yeah? Then he's got a larger area that comes down, so I'm just going to do a curve to that horizontal line either side here. And then let's go to about there, okay? We're just going to join it up like there. Then we're going to come out again down to about here. So we're going to do the same sort of thing. So just come out and down, a bit like a diamond with a bit of a curve in it. Just going to put a circle in it so we just have some light bouncing off it. And we're going to put little pincers in there, just for the head of the spider there. And then he's got like the legs of the spider to kind of come out. So I'm going to go 1 here and up like that, 1 here, just up and out like that, and do the same thing again here, so out and up, and out and up, and then we've got 2 coming out here, so a leg comes sort of out here, and on this side here, and down, and then here, comes out a bit here and here, down, and then we'll just join that up to the suit there and there. Okay, right, let's get the other pen. Let's just fill in the black areas, because we're going to go around that circle I made. Just like that, fill it in. Cool, okay. Then let's just do the detail on his legs. So he's got like patchwork area just on this part here. So I'm going to go line up either side there, just join it up. And he's got a piece that comes around here, so I'm going to do maybe line like that either side. Come out, and then let's just join that up to the edge there and there. It's got like knee pads, so those little bits we made earlier, we can just join that up in a bit of a sort of shield look, like that. And then I think he's got like red parts either side of the legs, so you kind of got one that comes down like this. Do the same there, and we'll just join it up. Another one just on the other side there, a little sliver of it. This thing comes around to the boot area at the front, I think, so we're just gonna show a little bit of the red there. We'll just put a line in here just underneath, and do the same, like a little chip there and a line underneath there. Okay, right, let's start colouring it in. I think that's the line work done. So let's get a nice red colour. Let's start popping the red in. So I'm going to go just fill that red area in, leave a bit of white in the middle there. Cool, just fill this in. Go, let's do those shoulder pads. And then there's a red part in the inner here and here. Then the main red part of his body area, let's just fill that in here and around. Nice, then he's got the red parts either side here. Put those in there. Then I'm just going to colour hands in red there. In red there. Okay, let's do this part here. And the outer part of the leg there. Outer part here. Then these kneecap areas, just like that. And then just do these parts of the leg, either side there. And then we've got this little bit just down here that's red as well. Cool, okay. Let's get a slightly deeper red colour. And we've just got a little bit in here. Going to do like a darker, deeper red, just either side of that. That's good. Okay, and then let's get a nice blue colour for the rest of Spidey's suit. Start colouring that in. So nice, rich blue I've got here. Those arms coloured in. And then the leg areas, the inner parts there. Okay. Okay, starting to look like Spidey now. And then lower parts of the legs. Just a bit there. And here. There. Okay, let's get the black. And he's got this shoulder sort of strap area. Let's just fill that in there. Fill that in there. And then the web grips he's got here. There's a web belt band parts. We can pop those in. He's also got kind of like a bit of a strap on the middle part of his arm as well. So I'm just gonna put a line in either side, just fill that in a little bit there. Okay, this middle bit, we can just do a line up here, and then fill these parts in either side. Nice, okay. Now this little piece, see, just that bit there, the head of the spider as well, let's fill that in. Let's cut that in a bit better. The belt area, just going to get the fine point again. I'm just going to pop another little line in just to show the detail off there. Just going to detail the belt, maybe just a little bit of the shoulder as well. It's got like a little bit of detail just around there and there. Maybe a couple of little pieces in the arm bit, like that, and like that. And then there's a little join in the hand as well, so I'm just going to put a bit of detail in there, just a bit of black, just to show off that bit there. Okay. Next we're going to get the grey. We can fill that belt in. Just colour that in there. Or just, there we go, colour it in there. And then we've got the strap areas too, so I'm just going to pop those bits in there too. And let's just fill the background in, nice sort of grey, sort of shiny background that it could be standing on, like that. Okay. There we go. I think that's it. So that is Spider-Man 0 here on ArtDraw. Thanks for watching.